Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Excited to offer you guys none other than an absolutely gorgeous 2013 BMW M6 with just 42,000 original and documented miles. This car is stunning in every way, cosmetically, mechanically, upgrades. This car has over $30,000 in tasteful upgrades. As we walk around, I'll give you a quick rundown of some of the upgrades. Car's well over 800 horsepower. We have plenty of fast cars in stock right now. We actually have a 1200 horsepower GTR, and this car, even though it's less horsepower, it's a little bit more exciting to drive as an experience overall due to the sounds, just everything about this car. I'm the owner here at Davis AutoSports. I'm blessed to drive many cool, fast, and exciting cars, and for the dollar amount, I don't think I've had a just overall car like this. As you see, I mean, the car is just simply stunning. HRE wheels, carbon fiber throughout, side skirts, diffuser, front diffuser, which is all brand new. Car's been lowered, obviously, Euro tuned, over 800 horsepower, ceramic coating paint. I mean, honestly, just a sexy car is what it is. Sounds absolutely incredible. Right now, we have probably 6 or 7 cars here with well over 600 horsepower, and this is by far the best sounding car here. Full titanium exhaust. The exhaust alone, you can look it up online. They're anywhere from $12,000 to $13,000 just for the exhaust. Orange Brembo calipers. Beautiful graphite HRE wheels. Front bumper did have some typical rock chips. We're not having that here. The bumper was completely removed, stripped down, painted here in-house by Davis AutoSports. I've been driving this car, and we just did a final detail on it, and it will be parked in our warehouse moving forward. This particular M6, red interior, Harman Kardon sound system, every option that they offer this car has. It's just a truly incredible car. Carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber roof. Look at the paint on this thing. Fully ceramic coated paint. Carbon fiber side skirts, which are 100% perfect. There's not a scratch, ding, defect, stress line. It's literally flawless. The backside is also flawless. Same thing with the front lip. It's literally brand new. Beautiful concave HRE wheels. This car, I'm telling you, is an absolute blast to drive. I mean, when this thing cold starts, it's crazy. Take a look online, you'll get sights up to 13 grand for that exhaust right there. Full carbon fiber intake, full down pipes. It's got literally every single bolt-on you can possibly buy, and within those bolt-ons, they are the most expensive ones money can buy. We'll have a full list of the build on our website and the listing. Carbon fiber roof, which is literally flawless. Here's your Alright guys, here we are in the drivability portion. As mentioned earlier, fully loaded, carbon fiber everywhere, Alcantara headliner, Bang & Olufsen sound system, which sounds incredible. She's loaded up, both keys, all the books, all the manuals, floor mats, leather's in phenomenal condition, but I can't stress how fun this car is to drive. I've driven many high performance and exotic cars in this car, from the sounds, the turbo spewing. It's one of the loudest turbo spules on this type of car that I've heard. Transmission just is incredible. We'll do some light revs real quick just to sort of let you hear. And that popping, look at the RPMs when you hear that. So usually, let me put this in automatic. In our test drives, in our normal cars, I nail it and show you that everything functions as it should, but not in this car. Traction control works very well. Car still gets up and goes, doesn't feel like it's cutting off like a lot of cars. But traction control off, anything less than 60, 65, you're pretty much spinning if you're at a high RPM when you give it gas. I don't know how this microphone is picking up, but the turbos are, I mean, you can hear them spule very nicely. I got the AC on, so you're probably picking up a little bit of the AC fan as well. But the drivability, I mean, this thing drives docile like a stock M6. Listen to the exhaust, there's no drone whatsoever. Sounds like a completely normal car until you get on it, which is going to be very difficult for me to do. But even there, I mean, just hear the turbo starting to spool up at a low RPM. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Let's do a little pull. Right there, I started spinning at 3,500 RPMs at 60 miles an hour with probably 60% throttle. It started spinning. I mean, this car is just, I can't even really get into it with one hand on the wheel. It's literally one of the best sounding cars I've been in. I mean, anytime you hit the gas, all you hear is the turbos. I have put at least 500-600 miles on this car, and it hasn't had one hiccup. Not one check engine light, not one anything, not a flare shift, nothing whatsoever. Car's been absolutely perfect. Full turn of the wheel, no issues with the power steering components. Traction wasn't on, we would absolutely be all over the place in this car. I mean, and obviously it's cutting out power and everything else, so Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed. I really can't stress enough how amazing this car is, from the looks to the performance to the sound. It's an exciting car to drive. It's pretty, it's sexy, it drives 100%, and it's a phenomenal car. If you have any questions, 855-955-3377. Thank you.